Gold, one of the most expensive materials on Earth. If I tell you that you could change anything you want into gold, will you believe it? It's possible, and this is Xbox, moments before I attempt to apply the last layer of gold leaf. You might be wondering, what makes this foil so special? Well, this is the same material that adorns the most expensive and famous sculptures and art frames. We will use thin gold leaf. You could find it in various online stores. There are colors like gold, copper, silver, and even other very colorful. To create the case for the console, I started with the MDF case. This needs to be easily removable between different covers. In future, I would like to prepare more projects like this for you, so if you like it, click like or just subscribe, and I will prepare more projects like this for you. The edges I trim with a sander. I use here 120 grit paper. Everything's ready, so let's take all the parts and let's back to the desk. The boards are cut with some clearance for easy mounting. When all boards will be glued together, then I could slide it from the top. Okay, the last part, and this is the rough shape of the case. It was time to move to the gluing phase. Before applying any glue, I secure the console using a masking tape. I apply glue to the edge of the board using a brush. When the other sides also receive a portion of the glue, I connect the boards together. At the top, I apply glue without the back panel, because I will leave it for the next step. The back panel receives glue all around, and inside the case as well. Now we can connect the last part. The case turned out very well and it fits perfectly. There was a little glue leak on the edges. I will remove it during the final sanding. I went through all sides to prepare it for the next step, painting. One layer of black primer is all we need to prepare the surface for the application of gold leaf. Here I used black gesso, but you could use Mod Podge or a similar product. This primer will provide an excellent foundation for the gold leaf. Front panel is nearly dry, so let's move to the next wall. Before we proceed with the gold application, here's one crucial step. We need to apply a dedicated layer of the adhesive, specially prepared for this gold leaf. Once this adhesive dries, it leaves behind a sticky surface. Gold leaves came in pack of 10, 20 or more. For a case like this, I use about 16 leaves, measuring 14 by 14 centimeters. Each leaf is separated with a paper to prevent damage. Glue on the cover is now fully dry and we can start to apply the gold leaf. For this project I've decided to go with more hands-on approach, quite literally, by using my hands to apply the gold onto the board. We are creating a unique texture and surface that resembles a real gold block. It won't have that shiny, uniform finish, but it's going to be an authentic and original transformation. Here my finger stuck too much to the gold leaf and tore it. This shows how delicate is that foil, and even wrong movement could destroy the final effect. With paintbrush, I try to smooth the whole surface. For corners, I cut long stripes to cover exposed black paint. Now you can see that the glue before was slightly white and now is fully transparent. This indicates when the glue is ready for application. Here was something between 5 to 10 minutes. Now I place the leaf on top to cover the entire surface and the upper edges as well. I gently press the leaf with a brush so that the entire surface sticks. Then I will start pressing the foil vertically with the brush so that it tears and fills inside the holes. Now I have a request for you. If you stayed this far, I believe you like such projects. Please consider subscribing, as I will be adding more and different projects for you. Small touch from the front and from the edges, and yeah, it will be ready now. As we add the final touches, including details like gold Xbox button, we are almost at the finish line. 3D printed buttons get the glue, and then I trim the pieces of the leaf. This shows that gold leaf could be applied on any surface. One disclaimer: the gold surface should be protected with a layer of the clear coat. There are dedicated products for that, but here I just skipped that. It is an exciting moment because now it's time for grand reveal and the final result. If you enjoyed this project, click like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our previous build inspired by Enchanting Hogwarts Castle.